How to add Donorbox button to website. Once on your Donorbox dashboard, you're going to select campaigns from the top left hand corner. After doing that, I want you to tap on Edit Campaign. Once you have selected Edit Campaign, you will see the option Donation Form, and from there you're just going to tap on Embed Form. After selecting Embed Form, what I want you to do next is go over to the top left hand corner, and you're just going to tap on Donate button, and you can see the button right there, and you can choose the default frequency, whether it be one time or monthly, and you can also scroll down and you can change the button type, whether you'd like it to be a sticky button or regular button, and you can also choose the placement depending on the option that you have chosen, and you can also edit the label right there. And you can also change the size, whether you like it to be small or large, and you can also change the color. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Copy Code. Then you can go onto your website, whether that be a WordPress website or a Google site website like this example, and you're going to select Embed, or if it is WordPress, you'll select HTML code, and you're just going to paste in the code, then tap on Next, then select Insert, and you can see that the button has been added. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.